Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Today we're unlocking the hidden secrets of wealth and success, insights that the rich rarely talk about. Have you ever wondered what truly sets millionaires apart? It's not just about making money, it's about how they think, invest, and build powerful connections. In this video, we're diving deep into the smart financial habits and millionaire mindsets that fuel lasting wealth. From strategic investing to the power of networking, these game-changing insights could transform the way you approach money. So if you're ready to challenge your beliefs and level up your financial game, stick around. What you learn today could be the key to unlocking your own path to financial freedom. Let's jump in. Secret number 1, the power of budgeting. One of the key secrets to financial success among wealthy individuals is their unwavering commitment to budgeting. They understand that tracking income and expenses is crucial for maintaining control over their finances. By meticulously monitoring their cash flow, they can identify spending patterns and make informed decisions. Wealthy individuals often utilize advanced budgeting tools and apps, as well as traditional methods like spreadsheets, to keep their finances organized. This disciplined approach not only helps them save more, but also allows for strategic investments. We encourage you to adopt similar budgeting practices in your life. By doing so, you can enhance your financial health and work towards achieving your own wealth-building goals. Secret number 2, investing early and often. A common habit among wealthy individuals is their commitment to investing consistently from a young age. They recognize the incredible power of compound interest, which allows their money to grow exponentially over time. By starting early, they maximize their returns and build substantial wealth. Wealthy individuals often favor investment vehicles like stocks, real estate, and mutual funds, which provide opportunities for long-term growth. For instance, investing in real estate not only generates rental income, but also appreciates in value. We encourage you to take action and start investing early in your life. By doing so, you can harness the benefits of compound interest and set yourself on a path to financial success. Secret number 3, networking for opportunities. Wealthy individuals understand that building strong relationships is essential for creating financial opportunities. Networking plays a crucial role in business and finance, as it opens doors to partnerships, investments, and valuable insights. By connecting with like-minded individuals, they can share knowledge and resources that lead to mutual success. To network effectively, consider attending industry events, joining professional organizations, or utilizing social media platforms like LinkedIn to expand your circle. Remember, it's not just about collecting contacts, it's about nurturing genuine relationships. We encourage you to actively seek out networking opportunities in your community or online. By doing so, you can enhance your financial prospects and unlock new avenues for growth. Secret number 4, continuous learning. Wealthy individuals are deeply committed to lifelong learning, especially when it comes to finance. They understand the value of staying informed about market trends and evolving financial strategies, which allows them to make savvy investment decisions. To enhance your financial education, consider exploring resources like books, online courses, and podcasts that focus on personal finance and investing. Some popular titles include Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Intelligent Investor. While platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer valuable courses, we encourage you to invest time in learning and expanding your financial knowledge. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of finance and make informed decisions that can lead to wealth accumulation. Secret number 5, diversifying income streams. One of the key strategies wealthy individuals use to build and maintain their wealth is diversifying their income streams. By creating multiple sources of income, they reduce financial risk and enhance their overall financial stability. A significant concept here is passive income, which allows money to flow in without constant effort, such as rental income from real estate or dividends from stocks. Wealthy individuals often engage in side businesses, invest in stocks, or create online courses to generate additional revenue. We encourage you to explore ways to diversify your income, whether through investments, freelance work, or starting a small business. By doing so, you can create a more secure financial future and increase your wealth potential. Secret number 6, mindset matters. The mindset of wealthy individuals plays a crucial role in their approach to money and success. They often cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset, believing that their financial situation can improve with effort and learning. This belief significantly influences their financial outcomes, as it encourages them to take calculated risks and pursue opportunities. Wealthy individuals view challenges as learning experiences rather than setbacks, which helps them stay resilient in the face of adversity. We encourage you to adopt a similar mindset that fosters financial success. By shifting your beliefs about money and embracing a proactive attitude, you can open yourself up to new opportunities and create a path toward achieving your financial goals. Secret number 7. Strategic risk-taking. Wealthy individuals often approach risk in their financial decisions with a strategic mindset. They understand the difference between calculated risks and reckless decisions, carefully weighing potential rewards against possible downsides. Successful investments, such as venture capital or real estate development, often involve a degree of risk, but these individuals conduct thorough research and analysis before committing their resources. For example, many successful entrepreneurs have taken risks by investing in startups that later became industry leaders. We encourage you to assess risk carefully in your financial journey. By making informed choices and understanding the potential outcomes, you can embrace strategic risk-taking that may lead to significant financial growth and opportunities. Secret number 8, financial advisors and mentors. Wealthy individuals often recognize the value of seeking expert advice from financial advisors and mentors. These professionals play a crucial role in guiding their financial decisions, helping them navigate complex markets and investment opportunities. By leveraging their expertise, wealthy individuals can make more informed choices that align with their financial goals. Additionally, mentorship is vital for personal and professional growth, providing insights and experiences that can accelerate success. We encourage you to consider working with financial professionals who can offer tailored guidance and support. Whether it's a financial advisor or a mentor in your industry, their knowledge can help you build a solid foundation for your financial future and achieve your aspirations. Secret number 9, living below their means. Despite their wealth, many wealthy individuals practice frugality, demonstrating that living below their means is a key to financial success. They prioritize saving and investing over overspending, understanding that accumulating wealth requires discipline. For instance, notable figures like Warren Buffett and Mark Zuckerberg are known for their modest lifestyles, often opting for simple homes and everyday vehicles instead of extravagant purchases. This approach allows them to allocate more resources toward investments that grow their wealth. We encourage you to adopt frugal habits in your own life. By focusing on saving and making thoughtful spending choices, you can enhance your financial situation and work toward achieving your long-term financial goals. Secret number 10, giving back. Wealthy individuals often embrace philanthropy as a core aspect of their financial lives, understanding that giving back can create a positive cycle of wealth and generosity. By contributing to charitable causes, they not only make a difference in their communities, but also enhance their own financial well-being. Successful philanthropists like Bill Gates and Oprah Winfrey have made significant contributions to education, health, and social justice, demonstrating the profound impact of their generosity. We encourage you to consider charitable giving as part of your financial plan. By incorporating philanthropy into your budget, you can foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment while potentially benefiting from tax advantages, creating a win-win situation for both you and those in need. Secret number 11, setting clear goals. Setting clear financial goals is a fundamental practice among wealthy individuals, as it provides direction and purpose for their financial decisions and actions. By defining specific objectives, they can create actionable plans that lead to success. To set effective goals, consider using the SMART criteria. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," aim for, "I will save $5,000 for a vacation by next year." We encourage you to take the time to define your own financial goals. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your focus, but also improve your chances of achieving better financial outcomes and realizing your aspirations. In this video, we explored the secrets that wealthy individuals often keep about money and financial success. We discussed the importance of budgeting, investing early, networking, continuous learning, diversifying income streams, and maintaining a positive mindset. We also highlighted the value of strategic risk-taking, seeking guidance from financial advisors, living below one's means, giving back, and setting clear goals. Applying these insights can significantly improve your financial health and help you achieve your aspirations. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Don't forget to explore more of our content for additional tips on building wealth and financial literacy.